Simpleng, ay, lang ang na-comment ni David Licauco sa photo ni Barbie Forteza at South Korean actor Kim Jisoo para sa kanilang pairing sa episode ng Daig Kayo ng Lola Ko. Umani ang comment na iyon ni pambansang ginoo ng 14,000 reactions at 800 replies mula sa mga Barbie fans. After pulang araw, may kanya-kanyang projects daw muna sina Barbie at David, pero may gagawin silang malaking teleserye soon. Si David ay kasalukuyan namang kasama si Sanya Lopez sa pelikulang Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan, ng GMA Pictures. His comment garnered over 13,000 laughing reactions. According to 24 na oras, Barbie and Kim will star in Daig Kayo ng Lola Ko. I really want to work with her, so finally we did, Kim said. Barbie, however, said that her love team with David will return this 2025. Very soon, actually. I can't wait. Magbabalik. Syempre may barda pa rin this 2025. Hindi pwedeng hindi, she said. Barbie and David recently starred in Pulang Araw. Their love team blossomed from the series Maria Clara at Ibarra. The two had their own stint in Daig Kayo ng Lola Ko, followed by 2 more television series, Maging Sino Ka Man, and Pulang Araw. They also starred in a film, That Kind of Love. David and Barbie are starring in separate GMA Pictures films this year, but the Kapuso Primetime Princess assured fans that they will have a project together in 2025. Meanwhile, Kim Jisoo previously expressed interest in working with Barbie after signing a contract with Sparkle last year. He also appeared in Black Rider and Abot Kamay na Pangarap.